All right, guys. So here we are. I just took it out from this box the car came with. So it's a Kraken Mazda 5 two-wheel drive gasoline. I love gasoline 1.5 scales. So this is not my first one. I do have other Kraken Vector 5, Low C5T, MCD, FG, and now here I am with the brand new Vesla 5. So that's how it looks. So this the remote, it's inside. Gotta take it out. Let me see. Okay, it's out. I don't like the remote because it's so small. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna install my Futaba receiver. I'm gonna use the Futaba transmitter. So yeah, no damages during the delivery. It's perfect so far. I don't see any scratches. It's beautiful. The quality on this gasoline Vesla 5, it's amazing. I love the quality. Look at the arm. Let's check out the suspension. Oh, nice. I like that. So one more time, thank you, John from Detroit Performance. He delivered this vehicle to me, and he's very supportive. I love Detroit Performance. They support me. They support everybody, and they always make deliveries on time. And their parts, all the performance parts, they are very good quality. And so this is like for the Taylor. The engine that I'm going to install inside, I mean on this truck will be, on this buggy will be the Taylor 35, or maybe I'm gonna go for the 50 GT Taylor RC spray engine. So yeah, I did get some upgrade parts. I got the, let me show you. I got the exhaust pipe from Taylor RC. I do have an engine in my hobby room, but I like the engine that it comes with. It's a 32cc engine. Let me check out the carb. It's with the choke. I think it's 1107 or 12 something. So yeah, I like the fuel. Oh, the fuel lines, yeah, they're good. The filter, it's like when you get a Baja. I like the servo arms, the servo horns. They're aluminum, and the servos, they are digital. So I don't think I need to change them. I did got I did buy the outerwears for the shocks. I got a new filter it's a ram air filter for this truck. I got a new carburetor that came with the Taylor 35, and I'm gonna replace the engine and connect my Vesla pipe. I did got a outerwear for pull start and underneath the engine. Also, I got a couple of other stuff like a light on the top. And what else? I did get a lot of other upgrade parts. Yeah, so this is the brand new platform from Kraken International, Kraken Cars. This is a brand new one. I like them tires. They're the same tires on the Kraken Vector 5 that I have. So it's amazing. It looks good. It's amazing. It's a big car. I think the weight on this car is 17 kg. I think it's 17 or 18. Yeah, so I don't see any breakages or anything damaged during the delivery. Yeah, it looks good. Let me show you the transmission on this. Yeah, nice, transparent. You can see through the cover. You can see the spur gear and the pinion. Nice. So it's a 32cc Kraken 32cc engine. So this is how it comes. This small package with the servo horns. I think, yeah, servo horns, and what else? Yeah, the bolts for the carburetor, I guess. Yeah, that's what they are. So this is the package that it comes with, and the remote. That's all. No wrench or other tools that the Losi 5T comes with, but I like the cage. Oh, look at that suspension, nice. Yeah, it's a big truck. It's wide. It's wide. Look at the width on it. So right now I cannot take off the body because I need to take these bolts out. I don't have tools right now with me. I'm in my office. So to take this body off, you gotta take, I think it's screwed in, yeah, from the side, both sides, left and right. And from the back, I think I'm gonna just take this body clip off. Yeah, so that's how you take the body off from this Kraken Vezla 5. It's amazing. It's a brand new platform, 2-wheel drive. So you can buy this from Kraken RC direct, or you can go on a DDM website right there, the DDM Racing, or you can go on a Detroit Performance RC. Oh, it's a fresh, you can smell that new RC car. Yeah. I see the electric receiver box in there. Yeah, I can get my DDM battery in there, LiPo. Yeah, I think it can fit in. I like the gas tank on it. It's kind of like a Baja, but it's very different than the Baja. I mean, it's kind of like a Baja, but a Baja setup with the 2-wheel drive. But they made it much better. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I will get back to you with my upgrade parts on it. It's going to be all the upgrade parts. Then when I install them, I'll make another video. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Bye bye.